My name is Billy Barghahn. I'm the owner of Vertical Vans, a camper van conversion company that started in Salt Lake City, Utah. Originally I built out my first vans to save money on rent and travel around to experience some different climbing areas. And as I built out these vans, there got to be a bit more demand for my work, so I started Vertical Vans to make it official and bring the joys of van life to other people. I think with air conditioners, it's definitely like a huge added comfort, because anytime you park the van in the sun, it's just absorbing the heat energy from the sun, and not just the body of the van, but the insulation itself. So you need something to be able to cool it down really quickly, and 12-volt AC unit accomplishes that really efficiently. We chose Nomadic Cooling specifically because of its high efficiency and the fact that it runs off of 12 volts. We've installed other AC units in the past, and they consume a lot of energy so that it's prohibitive to run when you're off the grid, where our clients like to be. So Nomadic really helps satisfy this need by allowing us to run an air conditioner without using a crazy amount of energy or needing a giant battery bank to be able to run it without being plugged into shore power.